Hey, what's up guys, Days Tech here with another video, and in this video I want to show you how you guys can make a progress bar using Microsoft Visual Studio. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Click on new project to create a new project. I clicked it on and a window will pop up like that. Now click on Visual Basic and select Windows, and select Windows Form application from there and double click on it. Now you guys can see that this program is loading, so let it start. Yes, the loading is complete and a form like this appear here. It is named as form 1. If you want to change the name of form 1 to progress bar or something you want, you can change it from here, going to properties, text, and I'm giving it name as progress bar 1 or progress bar. Okay, now I enter. The text is 4 progress bar. You guys can see the name of this thing is changed. Now first of all, add a button in it and drag it here anywhere in the Windows Form application and resize it in the size what you want. So yes, I'm going to change the name of the button from button 1 to another. So going to the properties, selecting the button 1 and changing it to start. You guys can see when I change the number here, name here, the name is also changed on the button. So if you want to change the background color, you can also do so. I'm changing the background from white to blue. You guys can see it's blue. Changing it to other colors or track is dark blue. So white will be this. Now the second step, search for progress bar, pick it up and drag it here. Resize it what you want. If you don't want it resize, now what you have to do is double click on that button to open the button properties, program. Now start from here. I'm doing the progress bar 1 as a. Okay. Now progress bar 1 is doing that first step we have to do is to write the program as I'm writing. So first step is progress bar 1 here it is, dot maximum equals maximum value will be 100. Progress bar 1 it's running, and when I click on the start button, the progress bar will start from here and stop at 50%, obviously here, I think so. Yep, you guys can see. If you want to change the value of the progress bar and want to stop it at 75%, 25%, 33%, you can do that. So, and the second value will be 25. Start. Yes, you guys can see stopping on 25%. If I write 5% here, it will stop on 5%. Yeah. So when we change the value of the progress bar, it will change the duration where it stops. It will change the time where it stops. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs down below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and stay tuned with our new videos. Thanks.